Hello everyone, and thank you for having me today. My name is Rachel Renee, and I am the CEO and founder of Goat Moves Inc. We are an all-in-one e-commerce and entertainment platform. We have centralized products, services, and digital content specifically for small to medium-sized businesses. We are addressing the closures of small to medium-sized businesses across the country. We are pre-revenue, and we have over 900 sellers waitlisted. We have over 6,000 users waitlisted, and in addition, we have secured a contract with Fit Central for our entertainment platform. We are currently raising $1.2 million. We are currently raising $1.2 million on a $4.9 million valuation. We are in our Reg CF pre-seed round facilitated by Net Capital in Los Angeles, California, headed by Eric Cox. Eric Cox. Yes. Thank you for having me.
So tell me, what is your business?
We are an all-in-one e-commerce marketplace.
Marketplace.
Yes.
So do people go there to buy products?
Yes, you can sell. So small to medium-sized businesses can sell their products, their services, and their digital content on our unified platform. Our technology is patent pending, as well as strategic partnerships that we have with a turnkey software, increasing your reach for your products while increasing your revenue.
Why won't people go there versus an Amazon or somewhere else?
Because on Amazon, you can only sell products. You cannot sell your services, you cannot sell your digital content. We are the only platform to have centralized all of these capabilities into this. This is why we.
How do you make money? What are your revenue streams?
So we are pre-revenue right now. We have.
How are you going to make money?
We are charging a 10% platform fee on all the transactions, so the products, the sales, and the stream, the subscription for the digital content, as well as we have a rev share for our entertainment feature. We have a partnership with Console TV. They are the major ad revenue for Sinclair Broadcasting, Hearst Media, and Great Video.
So I understand who your customer is going to be.
Yes.
Who's your supplier? Who's marketing the stuff on your platform? And I'm not familiar with how much Amazon would charge for me to put my stuff on Amazon. Mm-hmm. Are you going to be competitively priced with that?
Yes. So on our platform, our sellers, so whoever sells products, services, or digital content, you are able to sell, and we charge a 10% platform fee, not 20 to 30% as Amazon charges.
Thank you. Let's give a round of applause.
I think we have one more, right? That's it. We've got one more last minute contestant. Thank you.